Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can change your search engine from Yahoo to Google or from Bing to Google or any kind of, if you want to make any other kind of search engine by default, you can also do that, or if you want to remove any kind of search engine, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write this Chrome setting in this way, and then you have to press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, now what we need to do, we have to search for the search engine. So as you can see in this corner, you will see the option like this. Here's the search engine. Now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will see the option like this, search engine. You have to click on this, and after clicking on this, you will see the options like this. As you can see, here's the option. And now if you want to make it default, by default the Bing search engine will work. And now if you want to delete it, you can also click on the delete and it will be deleted. And after that, we have the Yahoo search engine. If you want to make it default, you can also do that. You have to click on the make it default, or if you want to delete it, you can also delete it. As you can see, some other search engines are provided here. Now the by default search engine is Google. Sometimes it automatically get changed, so if you want to make a change, you can do that. If you want to delete it, you can also delete it. If you want to edit it, you can also edit it. So in this way you can change or delete search engine, or if you want, so in this way you can delete or change or make default any kind of search engine from them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change or delete search engines. So see you guys in the next video.